All right, in today's video, we're going to run through the editing of a menu. Typically, your website will have a site menu up at the top here. So since we're using the default WordPress theme, this actually uses the full site editor option, but I'll also install another theme and show you how to be able to manage it if your theme does not support full site editing. So inside of this, we'll get started. And once you get to your admin dashboard, go down to Appearance and then to Editor. If your site uses the full site editor, you'll see this here. The other option that you may have would be Menu, and that option would then show you on that side, or you can get to it via Customize if it's not a full site editor. So in this case here, we're using the editor. Click on Editor, and then really simply navigation, right? And this already gives you kind of what the information or your website could look like. These are the pages that are already attached to your section here, and it's extremely simple. You literally drag it and drop it. So now you've just rearranged the menu. If you want to put, let's say, contact us as a drop down, you can just slide it over, and now we have contact us. Yep, okay. And contact us, see right here, and it's a drop down option that you have access to be able to get into. We can save it right there. And then when we view it on the home page, we'll just jump back there. You can see here, when hover over contact us, if you click on it, it still brings you to the contact us page we built before, or the about us page we built before. And if you go to the contact us one, it brings you here. Now on some of the other themes, let's go ahead and pull up the themes. We'll go to add new. I'm going to grab Astra, and we're going to install that real fast. Don't worry, it just takes a couple seconds. Activate. All right, so now you see this menus option here. So now we don't have any menus already created, so we're going to actually create one. This one's going to be our header navigation menu, and this is going to be in the primary menu slot, which is the most important one typically. This checkbox here is as you add new top level, meaning not a child page, it'll automatically add it. I don't like to do that because it just adds a bunch of stuff into the menu typically that we forget about. So we're going to avoid that. So now we have all of our pages here. We're going to select all, add to menu. They're in the wrong layout. So right now it'll go dealer registration, then contact us, then about us. We actually want to just do this. And you can see we just rearranged it the same way that we had before. You can also do nested ones where we can make contact us a child, just like we did on the other page editor as well. So I'm going to move this back. We're going to save. Now inside of this here, you actually have Astra menu options. So Astra is a theme that you can get, and they have a premium version or a paid version that you can upgrade to, which gives you extra things. Like I think you can put like symbols or icons in the menu. You have some other extra things in there, but all of that's unlockable in there. You also have up here screen options, and you can choose link target, title attribute. You can add custom classes. You can even add descriptions in there. So when you come back to view it, here's all the extra stuff. So the title attribute, this is dealer registration. I'm just going to shorten it. We want it to open up in a new tab. We can add a description, sign up to be a dealer. Oops, not a header, dealer. Then the description will be displayed in the menu if the active theme supports it. That's important because not all themes do. So actually most of them don't, but add and save the menu. Then when we come back to visit, you can see here, dealer registration, then about us, then contact us. Now, if I hover over dealer registration, you can see my shorthand dealer reg. Then if we click on it, it should open up in a new tab right there, just like we had defined it as before. So if you have any questions on setting up or adjusting your menu structure, feel free to drop a comment below. Otherwise, we'll get going on our next video.